so much goddamn mud in my truck! Thank God for freaking floor mats! Cause I'll tell ya, I can't believe how much... Oh, those are my new fucking boots, by the way. Yeah, see, I had to go out and spend $24 on these fucking things. I was a little pissed, but I'm happy that I saved $6.25 on the other boots. Anyhow, look at this. My fucking legs are covered up to my fucking kneecap. Oh my God. Anyways, I love you guys. This will be the last video about the mud, okay? Don't worry about it. Honestly, cross my heart, poke the needle in my eye. I love you guys very much. Call me.